Left stranded. Huge waves prevented rescue crews from reaching them. Typhoon came with warning. 125,000 people were able to seek refuge in evacuation shelters. And in some places, the cleanup has already begun. But aid workers have not been able to reach some of the hardest hit areas. People were able to seek refuge in evacuation shelters. In some places, the cleanup has already begun. But aid workers have not been able to reach some of the hardest hit areas. As high as 10 feet in some areas.